Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use Twoguysfinance's identity theft protection services. Alright, it's going to be a quick video. We're not going to waste any more time. Let's just jump straight into it. Now the first thing you're going to need to do is to log into your Twoguysfinance online banking platform, or you could choose to log into your Twoguysfinance account on the mobile app. That's the Twoguysfinance mobile app. Now once you're logged into your account, you're just going to select the account that you want to protect with identity theft protection. And once that's done, just click on identity theft protection. And then you're going to select the service that you want to make use of. You could use Twoguysfinance identity theft protection services to monitor your credit report, as well as to detect suspicious activities on your account. You could also review and reconcile your credit report, just to make sure everything is correct and accurately detailed. You can also use the Twoguysfinance to track your identity theft protection status. Likewise, if you have any questions, you can always just contact Twoguysfinance customer service, and they're going to help you with any questions that you have about identity theft protection services. And also do be sure to review and update your identity theft protection settings as needed whenever you need to do that in the future. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to use Twoguysfinance's identity theft protection service. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I'll catch you guys in the